Hi, what's your name?
Alpha Dog.
What do you like to do?
I like to play Ring Around the Rosies.
With who?
My brother.
Who's your brother?
Vincent. Anthony?
No. Yeah, you know. Anthony. Well, what do you like to eat?
Pineapples.
What are so great about pineapples?
They're pokey.
Does that hurt going down your throat?
No. It tingles.
Smile with your white smile, like. Do you ever sleep?
No.
Why not?
Ow, 'cause it hurts.
Oh yeah. Do you do anything crazy? What?
I jump in circles.
Is that it?
No.
What else?
I can't.
Mental. Go like this. Go like this. Why'd you just lick your lips?
I'm thinking about pineapples.
How come you're cross-eyed?
'Cause someone hit me in the head really hard.
And that makes you cross-eyed? Why?
'Cause I was going cross-eyed.
What was that face for?
It makes me happy.
Oh, I should have named it Randy.
My best friend's name is Randy.
Oh, that's cool. Any questions, you guys? Do you have any animals?
Yes,
What?
a flying squirrel.
What's its name?
Puma. It likes pineapples too.
Where'd you get it?
Walmart.
How much?
$20. Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Yellow.
Why?
It's the color of the sun. And the sun hurts your eyes.
Do you think you're ugly?
No.
What's your best feature?
My nose.
Why?
'Cause it's beautiful.
Until you see it. What's your favorite TV show?
Hannah Montana.
Why?
Because she's pretty.
Are you gay?
No.
Are you a boy?
No.
Are you a girl?
No.
You a tranny?
Yes.
Anything else to say? Do you have anything else to say?
Yes.
What?
I like to play with light switches.
Why?
They make clicking noises.
Bye. Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye.